Welcome to the Sophistic Result Viewer documentation. In this video we will show how you can create and manage the diagram item. For this purpose the Result Viewer standalone application will be used. The Result Viewer can be also opened as a SSD task, but the principle how to work with the diagram items is same. To save time, we have already opened an empty existing project that is connected to a database. As an example, in this video we will show how you can create a diagram for MY bending moments along a design element. Let's start by adding a diagram item to the page. To do it, click on the button Create a new diagram from the Get Started window. The diagram item will be added and automatically the result selection pop-up window will show up. Via the result selection pop-up you can select the required results that are of interest. By double-clicking on the diagram item in the document tree, you may manually call the pop-up window. To get the design element results, click on Results in the pop-up tree. Then Design Elements. Then Forces and select the internal forces or moments that are of interest. Please note that if you want to select multiple results, then the Ctrl or Shift keyboard key should be pressed while selecting. In our case we need only the MY bending moment result for the diagram Y-axis. When the diagram item is selected in the document tree, then the ribbon diagram will automatically show up. As you can see, on the left side of the Result Viewer window a table is shown. This table is the data source that will be used for the diagram creation. Currently the table shows only one load case selected. To select multiple load cases, go to the Home ribbon and then Load Case Selection. Then select the load cases that are of interest. It is required now to define the X and Y axis of the diagram. Go to Diagram Ribbon menu, then in Ribbon Group Data select the column for X and Y axis. For the X-axis, we will use the XY, relative distance, result. For the Y-axis, we will select the result MY, bending moment MY. In the table view, the columns that are used for the X and Y axis are marked by using icons. Next step is the selection of the graph. The graph is a kind of internal filter that filters out all unique values for a selected column or columns. In the Data ribbon group, you can select the graph filter. When you click on the combo box of the graph selection, multiple cases will be available for the selection. Example given, if you select for the graph, the column LC, load case. Then in the series drop-down, you will get unique values only for the load case column. So if we select, example given load case 1, then, on the diagram we will see results of load case 1 for multiple design elements, what we do not want. Therefore it is required to set the graph to LC, load case, plus DSLN, design element. This way we can filter out the corresponding design element and load cases. Let's select load case 1 and design element 100. Now the diagram will show on the right side of the Result Viewer window. If you want to modify the series properties, then you can do it by using the Property dialog. The size of the diagram can be changed via the Size command from the ribbon menu. If you want to zoom to the border of the diagram, you may use the Zoom Border command. This command is also available via the context menu. The legend can be deactivated via the Legend command. Via the Axis command you may invert the Y-axis and modify the ticks and labels unit. If you want to add vertically or horizontally boundary lines, then this can be done via the boundary lines command. The commands support placements and full axis length are available only if a diagram is created along an axis. At least, if you want to modify the font size of the diagram, then you can do it via the editable combo box. The name of the diagram can be changed via the document tree. Important to note as well is that you can additionally use filters on the source table. Just activate the quick filter and you can start with the filtering. If you click on the button Print Preview, then you will see how the diagram will be exported to the PLB file. We have created our diagram. This is the end of the video. Thank you for your attention.